Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make clove and rosemary oil for fuller edges and thicker hair. These are the items I'm going to be using in order to make this hair growth oil. So we're going to be using clove and rosemary. I'm also going to be using olive oil, avocado oil and coconut oil. So don't feel the need to use all the three oil you've seen in this video, okay? One oil should be fine, and don't feel the need to use this particular oil. Just use any oil that your hair loves and that should be fine. So clove is very beneficial for a lot of things. I'm going to go ahead and add it to my blender. So this is the amount I'm using. Then I'm going to add this amount of rosemary to the blender as well. Then I'm going to blend both together.
Bridge goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ice Place while we roll up a blunt, and me and Jack will get stony, walk around and get lost.
After blending both ingredients together, which are clove and rosemary, this is how it looks like. So you should have something like this. Now I'm going to add my chosen oil into the pan. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of olive oil. Is really good for our hair. It adds shine to your hair. It moisturizes your hair as well. Then I'm also going to add avocado oil. Is loaded with vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin E and vitamin B5. Avocado oil is amazing when it comes to dandruffs, okay? If you have problem or issue with dandruffs, add avocado oil to your treatment. It works wonders for dandruffs. It stops hair breakage and it's amazing for detangling your hair. Then we have coconut oil. Coconut oil adds shine to our hair. It also moisturizes your hair as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer the oil to the stove. So I'm going to be doing a double boiling method. So now I'm just adding my clove and rosemary that I mixed and blended before. Clove is one of my favorite ingredients to use, not only for hair, but I'm starting to incorporate it within my skincare routine. So clove stimulates hair growth. It helps with dandruff. It prevents premature graying. It reduces hair fall. So if you're struggling with hair fall, clove is your best friend, okay? It adds shine to your hair and it also moisturizes your hair as well. So clove is very beneficial for a lot of things. So rosemary is also one of the powerful ingredient you can use to grow your hair, okay? Rosemary helps in thickening your hair. So especially for those that have thin hair. So if you have a thin hair, applying rosemary to your regimen or to your treatment, okay, would definitely thicken your hair. I'm telling you guys, your hair will be thicker and fuller, okay, in volume. So try to add rosemary to your regimen or to your treatment twice a week and you'll see a massive difference. After 20 minutes, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to allow it to cool down for 30 minutes. This is how it looks after cooling down. Make sure you allow it to cool down because it's very hot. Now I'm just going to go ahead and strain it to remove the oil from the clove and the rosemary. Once you have done straining it, you can transfer it to your application bottle for easy use.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My niggas making it by that remedy.
So this clip was from last night. I retwisted her hair, but she was really tired, so I didn't really get the chance to apply the oil to her scalp properly. So I apply moisturizer to her hair, then I lock it in with the clove and rosemary oil. So in the clip I was just doing length check. Okay, so make sure you wash your hair before applying this clove and rosemary oil, because this oil, it's a leave-in oil, okay, meaning you don't wash it off. Okay, so do not wash this oil out. So before using the oil, make sure you shake the bottle very well before applying it to your scalp.
I don't know what this is. Yeah.
Now I'm just going to apply the oil into a scalp.
I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. Yeah, young nigga used to think this was everything I need, right? Not so fond of change, I'm too caught up in my way of thinking. I get by on me, no, I don't need nobody.
So make sure you add the oil to your edges, especially if you're experiencing breakage. Okay, focus on the problem areas and don't forget to massage your scalp as well. So if you have protective styles such as twist, cornrow, braid, locks and Ghana braid, you can still apply this oil to your scalp. Use this oil twice a week. Remember, do not wash it out. Okay, this oil is a leave-in oil. Do not wash it out.
For the real ones, I wanna feel something. Looking for a sign that I might be worth your time. Yeah. When I look into your eyes, it make me feel alive. I don't know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. Talk to me nice.
As you can see, I'm also applying the oil to the ends of our hair because our ends are usually the weakest part. It tends to break easily. So make sure you apply your favorite moisturizer, then lock it in with the clove and rosemary oil to retain length. So after applying it to your scalp, go ahead and style your hair as you wish. So guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also put on your post notifications so you don't miss my future upload. Until next time guys, thank you again for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.